Welcome to JoVE. Let's take a look at how you can use the JoVE LTI tool to add videos into Canvas. Start by logging into Canvas. Then navigate to your course. Select Pages in the navigation menu on the left. Click on the plus page button to create a new page. Enter a title for the new page. In the page editor, click either the JoVE icon or the plug icon. If you click on the plug icon, select JoVE Videos from the drop-down menu. Click on Continue to open the JoVE tool in a new window. Select Content from JoVE. Select a discipline that matches your course topic. Narrow it down by selecting a subject. Browse topics within the selected subject. Click the plus button next to the videos you want to add. Add one or multiple videos as needed. After making your selections, click Submit. Once back in the page editor, click on Save and Publish. That's it! Thank you for watching.